Why, hello again, Tigers. I hope we're all keeping safe and well. Right, guys, have I got something awful for you? Guys, today I am bringing you some more beauty hacks from 5 Minute Crafts. Prepare for your brain cells to be leached from you. Before any leaching happens, hit this subscribe button in the face with that daily notification alarm bell. Tigers, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's all engagement and feedback for me. I'm a nosy bitch. I want to know what you think about these videos. Smash the comments box down below. Check out that Linktree link in the description box. And without further ado, let's roll that intro. Oh, Tigers, we have got... straight away, within the first, 4 seconds of this video, Tigers, I have some issues. Why can't you hold a bottle right there and then paint your nails? It's easily done. I can do it, dragging up. It takes 5 minutes to do nails decently. With or without that bottle there, it does not happen like that. Oh gosh. Anyway, come on. Oh no. Bearing in mind, that is really, really watery. Nail varnish is watery, Tigers. If you do this, you might as well say goodbye to half a bottle, because half a bottle is going to be coating the inside of that brush that she is stupidly dismantled. Technically, that brush could go in the top and she could... Why would you even... Hang on, Tigers. Hang on. Ha! Ha! You see, Tigers, I thought this was from 5 Minute Crafts. It's my sister Emily sending me a picture. Emily, you have just starred on a 5 Minute Crafts. Thank you for interrupting the recording. I'm keeping this in. Shame on you. Anyway. Oh, God. Ah! No, Tigers. Right, okay. My sister Emily, I'll give her a shout out again for this. Emily told me that sometimes when you've got too much lipstick on, it can catch on your teeth. So you get your finger and go, that's it. And any excess comes round on here, then you go and wash your hands. Job's a knob. Well, it's a finger like, but still. Oh, God, your lips look a bit boring. Enough said with the face palm. Oh, God, you look a complete twat. Only works, Tigers, really, if you've got blonde hair, it'll take better. Coloured hair, no. Oh, I'd leave it on your face, love. It's covering that mole up. And you look less of a twat. Oh! Oh, Christ on a bike. Right, where do I begin? For starters, you look like you're forcing a shit out or a good lengthy fart. But then also, you look a complete bucking fugger. Like, swap the letters around, Tigers. Like, come on. If you have enough brain cells, that is. Oh, 5 Minute Crafts. Dear Mikey, as the founder of TIEG, we like what you're doing with our videos. We estimate on this video 17,600 brain cells that have been lost. Oh, you see, Tigers, just over a minute into this and already. Oh, Christ. Oh, dear. Don't do that. Please tell me you're not going to put that. Oh, Tigers, don't do this. There's so many other things you can do to do. Oh, my God. No, that looks awful. Starch, coffee. Face cream. Hang on. Coffee beans. Starch. Water. Face cream. Why are you making a coffee face cream? Foundation. Oh, God. You know that film you peel? Do you know if I was peeling somebody's skin, perfectly fine, sunburnt skin, quite happily, you know, peel, slap the red sunburn, but then carry on peeling. But when it comes to food, oh God, it just goes through me. Oh God, why would you? You will want to be kissed off at... No, it does not, Tigers, no. No beautician would recommend you putting boiled egg skin on your face. Oh God, can you imagine the sulphurous, eggy shit smell you would smell like if somebody went to kiss you? You'd be like, bleh, bleh. Cornstarch, baking soda, coconut oil. Okay, so far so good. Essential oil. What are you going to make? What are you going to make? Don't tell me that's some cheap-ass deodorant you've just made. If that's some cheap-ass deodorant, don't do it, Tigers. Seriously, don't do it. Because, well, look how red it is before. This must be on previous takes where she's had to wipe the smeared-on shit off. Because I'll tell you something now, that even a deodorant stick does a better job than that. What on say... Oh, ooh, natural deodorant, don't talk crap. You're wasting good strawberries there. What are you doing, love? Put under your eyes, no doubt. I bet you it is. It is. Oh my God, so not only, right, does egg rejuvenate the skin, what does mashed up strawberry do? With a dash of cucumber. What did it do? You didn't say fuck all, 5 minute craft. Fucking all. You complete and utter brainless idiots. Rose petals, hot water, what's this for? Oh, you're going to make rose water perfume, aren't you? Yeah, I can see it. I can see it now. Yep. Improve skin hydration. No. Actually, I think we find what improves skin hydration will be something from SLMD Skincare. Shout out to Sandra Lee. I too am a pimple popper. Oh my God, love your channel. Type in Dr. Pimple Popper on YouTube. Head straight to a channel. There's plenty of ways on how to pay for it and how to obtain it. And there's international shipping as well. So please do consider that, guys, if you are needing a good face cream. You don't need a 5 minute crafts version. Oh no. Oh no. Right, Tigers. I've covered this before on a previous thing, and so have other people. Like, no. In fact, I know Call Me Chris did something very similar to this. And so did SS Sniper Wolf. Like, seriously, shout out to both of you. I can't imagine how many brain cells you both have lost, considering you've watched more 5 minute crafts than me. But thank you ever so much for being such an inspiration. I am also bringing the same loss of brain cells, and I'm sure they would completely agree with me. You do not need a spoon to put on frickin' makeup. Take it from a drag queen. Take it from a gay. Take it from somebody who's worked for Avon. You do not need to use a spoon. Oh God, no. So many things that would be easier done without a spoon. Okay, fair enough. Let's see how you're going to get on with this. You see, Tigers, I'm going to shock you here. I actually like that. Believe it or not, that looks really nice. You can tell obviously there's been a bit of a professional edit and touched up to the lipstick light, but still, that actually looks rather nice. I might give that a shot. So, if you are on TikTok, Tigers, this is a segue straight into my channel, my profile on TikTok. Please do look up TIEG_global_gaming. You will see a lot of stuff like this on there. Me in drag, as well as gaming reviews, as well as Mikey Reacts come from there as well. So, Tigers, I do recommend this hack. That does look rather good. Well, okay. What are you using a syringe? Okay. When it dries in the sponge, where it's coming out of that hole, isn't it just going to form a plug? So the next time you squeeze, it's just going to go straight in your face. Oh, YouTube could have demonetized me for that action there, Tigers. Oops. Right, okay. First things first. These are eyelash curlers. If you're so freaking bothered, use the previous method about 6 videos back, or God knows how many videos back it was, with a freaking spoon. Oh God, no. Don't tell me this is... Oh, okay. Oh. No. Genuinely wouldn't buy clear mascara. Oh my God. Tigers, don't do this. Seriously, please don't. Thank God that's over, Tigers. Oh my God. I think I've lost about 25,000 brain cells. Yeah. Yeah. Give me a like, guys, if you think you've lost more. But if you agree to 25,000, hit this subscribe button in that face with that daily notification alarm bell. You know, come on. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Or, you know, give me a thumbs down if you've lost even more than what you could even possibly ever write down. You know, it's all engagement and feedback for me. I want to know, how many brain cells have you lost, Tigers? How many? I am a nosy bitch. I want to know. How have we all been anyway? What do we all think to this video? Hit them comments down below. And guys, be safe, be warm, be well, and I shall see you out there. Ciao for now.